For years, the people in the city of Lahore have dumped their waste out in the open and in the waterways. But all that is now slowly changing. This is Gulshan-e-Ravi, a middle-class neighborhood, and these men belong to waste busters, busy sweeping the main roads. Their job is to collect garbage that then gets turned into unseeable gas and fertilizer. The stench is unbearable, but the work is commendable, and in a country with few resources, people are beginning to realize the potential of utilizing garbage to produce gas, liquefied petroleum products, as well as fertilizer for the farmlands. This man had a simple idea: recycling garbage to make a profit in an environment-friendly way.
We started off, as I told you, with just 6 donkey carts back in 1996. Today, by the grace of God, we have got over 200 vehicles, about over 3,000 workers, and all of this is money generated from the waste itself.
Through the narrow streets, the men from the waste busters collect whatever they can. They seal the waste inside containers and take them to transfer points. Trucks then deliver them to a factory. 500 tons of garbage is processed here every day. A separator removes organic waste that is then converted into fertilizer. Further down the chain, these men pick out anything of value, including bottles and plastic bags. The bags are used to make outdoor furniture. The remaining refuse is further compacted to be converted into fuel.
Pakistan today is producing more than 50,000 tons of garbage every day. And most of this is being thrown out in the open areas, the plot. Just imagine all this waste rotting on the streets. It's producing greenhouse gases, methane gas, carbon dioxide, all of this. All of this is depleting the ozone layer.
It took Wastebusters years before it became successful. But now, the company is being seen in other major Pakistani cities as a green initiative that turns rubbish into money. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Lahore.